Hello, 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 kindred family. It's me. My name is Cassandra Lee. Hi, guys. Welcome. So, as you can see, my hair is pre-parted. I did use products in it already, so you can probably see that it was flaking, but nevertheless, it's all going to be okay. So, anyway. I'm going to show you the product that I'm going to be using in this video. And also a fun fact, whenever I'm using a rubber band for a protective style, I love to drench it in oil just because it makes the rubber band a lot more pliable and flexible, and it's not hard and pulling on the strands in my hair. And also when I'm taking the rubber band out, it's just way more easy to remove without any damage. Keep in mind, I used 3 different types of hair to create this look. I used braiding hair, passion twists, and Marley hair. So I'm going to play some cute music for you guys and you can enjoy this video.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Hi Kindred fam, welcome. This is the finished look for my twists. I hope that the tutorial was easy to understand. This is definitely a go-to style for me. Anything protective style I'm into. I feel comfortable and confident with executing a twist or braid style. So this was really easy for me to understand, especially if you've ever done faux locks, then the method that I use is similar to that. Take your time, you guys. You do not need to use the type of hair that I used. I do recommend if you're looking to set your hair with a curl or a twist or some type of pattern, I recommend getting some hair that indicates hot water setting or something like that. You can definitely dip it in scorching water still. However, over time the curl will fall, or whatever pattern you're setting it in, it will fall. So I definitely recommend looking for something that indicates a hot setting for the hair. But you do not need to use the packs that I used. I used 3 different packs because I initially wanted to do jumbo twists. However, as I was doing it, I just decided to do my regular twist out style that you see here. It all worked out in the end anyway. So I do like that I did use different styles of hair, just because the kinky hair, there's some places where you'll see like a curl throughout the twist. So I do like that. And you can see, you can kind of, that's the effect that I'm receiving with using that kinky twisting hair. But other than that, I feel like it's the same type of style of twist that I usually do. So I hope that this was easy and to the point, and it helps you guys execute better tucking styles when you're incorporating different color hair. So yeah guys, I hope that this video helped you with learning how to more successfully tuck your hair when you're twisting. Marley hair or faux locks or XYZ. This is the method that I use, and it's been pretty successful for me. If you guys are interested in watching more of my videos, feel free to follow me on my journey and hit the subscribe button. Also, let me know how this video resonated with you. Leave some comments below. Like it, share it with your friends and family, and if you're interested in knowing exactly when I upload, then hit the bell, ring your bell, ring your bell. So yeah, then definitely hit the bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.